Guys, today we are going to visit a valley yet to be explored by many. Living behind Gorikot, keep traveling on the Store Valley Road, crossing surreal splendor of Gudai, Nogam, Shikong, Aiga and Daskrem. Travelers traverse through ever-winding, evergreen and all-weather open defense road. The streams flowing in from the melting snow of Burzil are full of turquoise water and tossing little trout. You are surrounded with pine trees. Stay for a while and have a cup of tea listening to the noise of naughtily flowing streams. Though it is not an all-weather road, it has to be opened during winters because of its proximity with Dumail and Cumry, the two army posts in Minimag. Military men cut the snow during the winters to keep this road open. Here we are in Chilam Chowki. Two roads diverge here, one goes to Desai and the other leads to Valley of God, the beautiful Minimag. But wait, we still have to go a long way after Chilam gives the road a sway. Let's move up to the Burzil top. Burzil top is 13,870 feet above sea level. The climb is smooth but steady. We climb amongst the serene snowy splendor of nature surreptitiously. It is end of June and the snow is gradually melting. A huge mountain with half-melt snow comes up before us all of a sudden. There is no bird, no passerby, no grazing animals. Quietude, stillness and mysterious solitude of nature grows on you until pleasant surprise from the murmurs breaks the seething silence spread like the spell of a sorceress all around. You can't manage this climb without 4x4. The engine is almost moaning and we're almost 4,000 meters above sea level. Our ears lost the ability to hear definitely for the height people from the plain lands are not accustomed to. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful valleys welcoming us. Beautiful. So guys, we are moving towards Burzil top. This is an ancient pass and historic caravan route. No. Jamshed! Jamshed! नहीं हम वहाँ जाने जा रहे हैं और उधर मना करते हैं
आ जाओ बेबी वापस आओ वो तो बहुत ऊंचा है अपने आगे भी जाना है अलीसा आ जाओ वापस आ जाओ
As we were talking that Burzil top is an ancient pass and historic caravan route between Srinagar and Gilgit. This pass lies 30 kilometers north of line of control which serves as the de facto border between India and Pakistan and Kashmir. In its east is Kargil. It is the oldest known route connecting Gilgit with Srinagar and Skardu through the Desai Plateau. Ancient travelers used to cross this pass by horses. We are going down from Burzil Pass to enter into the Valley of God. Minimag is the Valley of God. I conferred this very title upon it since I glanced it for the very first time at a distance. Clad in dark clouds, it appeared to be a mystery muffled in the mist. Through rustic, robust land, picturesque pastures, lush green meadows, fragrant markhunt fields and grassy ground with grazing sheep on the top of the mountains. Flora and fauna of the wondrous valley, aromatic, tall, oscillating trees, deep dashing dales filled with flowers and waterfalls, scintillating scenes and sound. Sleepy stillness spread over all alluring lakes with sun setting for lively evenings. It was a most beautiful, colorful, gleeful drive up to Dumail. वाह जबरदस्त जबरदस्त रुक जाए ना दिखाएं तो सही
ये मारकंड
This Markhand, it's still budding up, but this is a beauty. It goes to almost a height of 6 feet above. And this is the beauty of Minimag. This is the flower which makes Minimag beautiful. And you can only find Markhand over here in Minimag. Across north, you won't find it anywhere else.
And it will be full bloomed in July.
So,
by the end of
please
June.
accept Markhand from my side.
Thank you so much.
As a gift.
Most precious.
Okay, take care. Finally,
Elisa!
we have reached Rainbow Lake, one of the beautiful
वापस आओ।
lakes in the world. One of the wonderful things you get to see on east of Rainbow Lake is a sunroof where you are served with mutton nihari. Butlers are well dressed up, well groomed, and they serve you in the best of their manners.
अलीसा बोट का इंतजार कर रहे हो वो है क्यों नहीं देखे अभी तक रेनबो लेक अच्छा वो ला रहा है उस तरफ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ ला रहा है